I might be down for here too.
Why would you do?
What's on yun?
You get a rub too much on my brother.
I want to try some of this. But it's too salty.
It is cooked.
Yeah. I put chili, I forgot. It's fine. I didn't miss it. Okay.
Then we did not see it. Bigyan mo na lang this.
Just sprinkle chili powder on the pot.
Watch and learn, guys.
No. Someone give me tissue! Ate, tissue! Tissue!
Isa kayo.
Ate, tissue!
O, bebe. Anong gagawin ng tissue?
Thank you, Mama.
Ano na sa'yo?
How do I make some chicken? Can I use this for something?
Yes.
Are you
Pero maghugas ka na lang nun ha, pag gagamitin mo. Nakatatlong plato ka na, yung isa ginamit mo na.
maliit?
Kailangan mong maglinis ng isang plato ha. Ginamit mo yung isang plato na. Too much ate ha.
Too much.
Kailangan yung makain ko. Punas mo
Where's the
dito.
salt? Where's the salt? Ate, where'd you put the
Ayun
salt?
na kay Kuya.
Kuya, why is it about medium rare? Why is it about medium rare?
That's not chili.
Ayan ha.
Tulo yung laway pa.
Where's the pepper? Ito, where's the pepper?
Where's the salt?
Check mo kay Kuya mo.
Where'd you put the salt?
Ibalik niyo kung saan yung kinuha para...
Can I use a spoon dito?
Ah, spoon pwede.
I've been grabbing utensils left and right. Lalo na ako. Tapos na.
Ah, may asin kaya tayo.
Panalo ka na?
Lalo na ako. Please na ako. Oh, at least nakuha ko yung unang matapos.
Tapos ka na?
Oh,
Wow.
sa hindi masarap, una ako natapos. May points na yun.
Is that your main?
Yeah.
Kung nga kuya.
Kakal wala ka pa nilalabas na appetizer.
Ate's not even done yet.
I have to try the happy birthday.
Let me cook, guys. Let me cook.
Ano may cooked ka? Bakit parang may jambol?
Mamamit na lang. Guys, let me cook, guys.
Bakit parang may jambol ng baby? Ano nga yung... Sabi ko nga, parang anaaning na.
Papainin ko yung red egg and baka hindi makalabas. Hindi ko makalabasin yung red egg.
Galit mo yung letter H.
Parang di pa tuluto.
Susubok ko na agad yan.
Kailangan natin ano lang naman yan, name eh.
Okay lang yan kasi name lang naman yan. Kahit malutong yan, pwede yan.
Ano lang namin natin, parang magaling ka. Kasi iba na naman si Chad nagawa.
Alam niyo mamaya akin yun?
Hindi pa. Kala niya kay Kakal.
Kasi hindi na natapos.
Oo.
It's insulting.
Ay, sasak. Ano niya yung
O ikaw, nag-design si kuya mo. I-expect ba rin namin mo sa kanya yun?
That's insulting.
Asan sila ni Kuya?
Ano?
Asan sila ni Kuya? Pwede sila si Kuya?
May?
Design?
Oo, nag